Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 6 3.5mm screws and 2 4mm screws from the bottom cover. There are 2 clips that hold the bottom cover in place. Grab the top of the bottom cover and gently pull back to pop the clips free. Remove 2 1mm screws from the battery cable bracket. Remove the bracket and use a plastic spudger to gently lift up and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 2 1mm screws from the charging port cable bracket. Remove the bracket and remove 4 2mm screws from the charging port. Gently lift up to unplug the charging port from the motherboard and remove the charging port. Replace the ports back into their slots and replace the 4 2mm screws. Plug the charging port cable back into the motherboard. Replace the bracket and replace the 2 1mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bracket and replace the 2 1mm screws. Replace the bottom cover and push down on the sides to snap the clips back into place. Replace the 6 3.5mm screws and 2 4mm screws back into the bottom cover.